don't know. I don't know why. I was just checking out my channel to see how many views I'm getting. But then there is this particular video that I knew would get like 1 view or something like that. But instead, I got 110 views. Like, oh my god. I don't... How? Why do you guys like this video? But not the other ones that I made put hard work in. Like, this was poorly made. But I guess everybody has different tastes and like other stuff. Oh my god, it just went up a view. It was 113 views. You guys like it so much. But thank you. I wanted to use like Culture Club. I'm using my grandma's Android. Okay. Yeah, but like, why do you guys... Wait. I forgot about these. But whatever. Why do you guys like that and stuff? Maybe tell me what you want me to make and stuff, and maybe I'll make a God's Life mini movie. I might have some ideas, but like, have a nice day and night, and don't forget, stay at home.